Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check ignored friend requests on Snapchat. So guys, want to see ignored friend requests on Snapchat? Here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply go to App Store, and from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, do this, and after this open your Snapchat and then go to your profile and then scroll it below, and here you can see add friends option. So guys, simply tap on this, and now you have to simply tap on this three dots button. Simply tap on this, and now tap on friend requests I have ignored. So guys, simply tap on this, and here you can see or check your ignored friend requests on Snapchat. So guys, you can see this, you can easily view them, or you can accept or reject them very easily. So guys, this is the way to find or check ignored friend requests on Snapchat in 2026. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.